Hello everyone, amateur meteorologist FirstinWeather here. It is July 30th, 2019, and this is just a simple weather discussion. I thought I would give you guys this quick look at the short range and then also a quick look into the expected cool down for the first half of August. So here is the GO16 satellite, and this is for this evening. As you can see, we do have a couple of storms in the western part of the eastern United States. This is more like West Virginia. Western parts of Virginia saw a few storms today. Those are now starting to die out, and also the upper portions of the Northeast also. Now this is the NAM. This is this GIF for Wednesday, and as you can see, we do have quite a bit of storms popping up. Central Virginia, Northern Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, and also New York. So these storms will be the result of a piece of energy, the Kentucky, West Virginia area. So these storms really won't have that much of a severe weather threat. They will just be those typical pulse storms that are quick. They fire quickly, and before you know it, they will be out of here. And so this pattern looks to continue for the next few days. Looks like Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday could be quite unsettled for the North Atlantic. We just have a piece of energy that would be stuck in the eastern part of the country. And so this kind of illustrates that we have quite a bit of vorticity. As you can see, we have quite a bit of vorticity right here. So this is all, you can see that little bend in the jet stream right here. So piece of energy that we have what's causing these storms to fire up here. From this energy, we're having storms firing up. Piece of energy really will just stay in place over really even into the first week of August. So things are looking quite unsettled for the next few days or so. Each day, storm chances being around 40-50% Atlantic. But again, these storms really won't be that severe, so it's not really anything to worry about. And this is some needed rain that many of the lawns could really use right now. This is the geopotential height. This is the GEFS ensemble model. This is the 18Z run. And as you can see, this is valid for August 11th. So as you can see from my previous video, it still has that ridge, but it has now shifted to what the European was saying. It's moved that ridge a little further to the east, right around here, and that has some serious consequences for the supposed the supposed incursion of cold air that we're supposed to see in August. Instead of that cold air now being firmly placed over the eastern part of the country, eastern part of the country is really only being grazed by that trough. That trough is now centered over the northern Atlantic Ocean, and so once again the European ensemble was more correct than the GEFS ensemble. So really not too much of a big adjustment. It's just that the extent of the below average temperature anomalies might be a little bit reduced due to the ridge shifting a little bit further. Now this is the temperature anomalies for I think August 4th to August 15th. As you can see, there still are appreciable below average temperature anomalies for areas mostly east of the Mississippi River. However, they are not as below average as what was painted by the models a few days ago. So that is a significant development. However, it's not like it's not going to be a nice little relief or break from the seasonal summertime conditions. Humidity still will be relatively low for summer, and we will still see temperatures 5 to 10 degrees below average in many locations. So that pretty much sums up this video, guys. Things are looking pretty much on track for that cold break or that wave of unseasonably cool temperatures. It just might be a little less extreme than previously expected, as that ridge will be a little further east, making that trough just barely graze the eastern part of the country. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay alert or stay aware of the potential for a few storms over the next few days over the Mid-Atlantic East. And other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you next time.